Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 31. A pinhole camera is placed 300 meters in front of a building so that the image is formed on a screen 5 cm from the pinhole. If the image is 2.5 cm high, the height of the building will be A. 25 meters, B. 50 meters, C. 100 meters, D. 150 meters. So we're asked to calculate the height of a building that is in front of a pinhole camera that has been placed. So the pinhole camera has been placed 300 meters in front of the building. So this means that the object distance is equal to 300 meters, and we're representing that by U. Now, on the pinhole camera, the image is formed 5 cm from the pinhole, so that means the image distance is equal to 5 centimeters. Now, they said if the image is 2.5 cm high, so the height of the image is equal to 2.5 cm. So we have to find the height of the object. Now, for a pinhole camera, V over U is equal to HI over HO. So if we input our values, okay, and make HO object height subject to a formula, HO will be equal to U multiplied by HI divided by V, and that is equal to 300 multiplied by 2.5 over 5, and everything here is equal to 150 meters. 150 meters is option D. So D is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.